Assalamualaikum everyone, my name is Adil Raj. So today is our class 4 of Adobe Premiere Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to use track selection tool, razor tool, ripple delete and undo something.
Here I have some stock videos in my project window. First of all, I will drag them into the timeline. At first, let's talk about track select forward tool. By using this tool, you can select multiple tracks in your timeline. Suppose if I click here, it will select all the tracks which are standing in front of the clicked area. Now you can see that I have multiple tracks in my timeline. If I want to select only one track, I have to press shift. After pressing the shift, you can see that there is only one arrow in the timeline. Now you can easily select a single track in your timeline. Track select backward is the same thing but in the opposite direction. Basically, track select tool is useful for long-term editing where you have to use a lot of tracks and layers. So now let's talk about the razor tool. We use razor tool to split or cut our video. There is a keyboard shortcut to split your video, is Ctrl K. Now you can see that if I select this clip and press delete in my keyboard, it leaves a gap between my clips. To solve this problem, we use ripple delete. Press shift and delete to use ripple delete option. Now it gets attached automatically. Suppose now you want to split multiple tracks, just click on shift, and here you can see on the screen that there is two razors showing up in the timeline. Now if you click somewhere on your video, it will split your video and also the layers. And there is another keyboard shortcut to split multiple tracks, and that is Ctrl Shift K. If you want to undo something on your edit, press on Ctrl Z.
Goodbye.